Mete kinde rambe mar gero kar lam mar deliverance koni ting mar ndiko jopuonj winjo dong ne duol no ma ok ni josiasa bende koro nyaka lu eka chiw barua ne jopuonj koni wach ne osemiyo josiasa thuolo mar miyo jopuonj mane gi yiero barua moko dewo ni nitie japuonj matin mapok ondiki kod piny owacho.
TSC has the mandate to recruit and employ teachers. Have you ever seen employment of teachers before, where forms are being dished in burial places? Chiefs barazas. Somebody using employment of teachers for political mileage. That look here, I've employed this number. Who are you to say that you have employed? Are you Teacher Service Commission? You're not. You're not. The line through which they get employment raises more questions than answers. It is not sensible to pick on a teacher who just completed college in 2024, 2023, and you know too well that in the same village, there's one who completed college in 2011. It is so demoralizing. Some of these forms were even sold by some politicians who did not even see the need to be a bit human about it. If one is not employed and one has to cough out over 200,000 to buy an employment form, where did this person get this money? Employment forms were being sold, and we have evidence to the same. It is shameful. It is shameful. Poor young people with poor parents paying for employment forms. Very shameful. Very shameful. And I want to say this is shameful and has to stop. Why do you sell employment forms? I think the highest degree of corruption and senseless, most inhuman action that can be talked about.